There are several ways to potentially earn money from Facebook. Here are the 5 best tricks to earn money. Create a Facebook page and grow a following. If you have a business or a brand, you can create a Facebook page and grow a following. This can help you increase your visibility and reach more potential customers. You can also monetize your page through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Sell products through Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a platform where you can sell products to people in your local area. If you have items to sell, you can list them on the marketplace and potentially earn money from the sales. Create and sell digital products. Facebook is a great platform to promote and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and digital downloads. You can create a Facebook group or a page to promote your products and connect with potential customers. Join Facebook groups and offer services. There are many Facebook groups related to various niches where people offer services and products. You can join these groups and offer your services to potential customers. For example, if you are a graphic designer, you can join groups related to design and offer your services to people who are looking for design help. Participate in Facebook surveys and research studies. Facebook sometimes conducts research studies and surveys and pays participants for their time. You can look for these opportunities on the Facebook for Business website or through market research companies that partner with Facebook. Note that earning money from Facebook requires time, effort, and strategy. You need to build a following, create engaging content, and promote your products or services effectively to be successful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel in order to get more interesting videos.